Dengan hati bersyukur pada Allah yang kudus, syukur karena Dia berikan anaknya Yesus. Kini yang lemah dikuatkan, yang miskin diperkaya karena perbuatannya pada kita. Kini yang lemah dikuatkan, yang miskin diperkaya karena perbuatannya pada kita.
Thank you, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna ask Sam, our singer, what does this song mean, and what does it mean to you?
So this song is actually that we are giving thanks to the God because of the grace that we already have right now, because of only by God's grace that we are here, only by God's grace that we can breathe freely. So many people are laying down in the hospital because they cannot breathe properly, but now we are here, we can breathe freely. So it's only by God's grace that we are actually very weak. We're so weak, Chantal. You have to know that we are weak without God, without พระเจ้า without พระเยซู we are so weak. So that's why we need Jesus, and พระเยซู is the only one that gives us hope, that gives us a grace. There's nobody that gives us hope, only พระเยซู. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sam. Okay.